honestly, I feel like a girl fresh out of the For You page on TikTok. Every time I move, it's like, bruh. We out here looking like a ruler. Whoa, this is see-through. I feel a bit insecure about the boobs, and I also feel like it's not sort of holding them up. This could not be more different. Uno, dos, tres, tato. I saw the Kendall Jenner bun on TikTok and I thought maybe I could work it, but I'm kind of getting boiled egg energy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a beautiful sunny day and I'm in high spirits, baby. Today I am filming a YouTubers pick my outfits video. I asked my lovely YouTube friends, wow, that takes me straight back to 2013. I asked some other YouTubers slash my friends, wow, so cool, to go onto PrettyLittleThing and pick out outfits for me. And no, this is not sponsored. I know I worked with PLT before, but this video is not sponsored because I know some of you get really triggered about that. I asked Kate, Elizabeth, Byron, Evie and Olivia Neal to pick out some outfits for me. I don't think I've been this excited to film a video in so long. I thought it would be really interesting to see like how I looked in their different styles, and I'm not gonna lie, some of these pieces I would never have picked out for myself. Anyway, as every YouTuber ever says, I don't want to ramble on for too long, so let's get groovy, baby. Put on a snakeskin top if you have no boobs. Put on a pair of cat eye sunglasses if you're insecure about not having any boobs. Really probably should have fake tanned before this video. I literally scrubbed any little last remnants of tan off last night and I am feeling dusty and crusty this morning. You have 5 seconds to work out who chose this outfit for me. Only the boarding school queen herself. Miss Kate Elizabeth, we love you. I feel like I just really quickly need to put in that the top Kate actually like originally chose for me was this like black and white tie-dye. It was the exact same cut, it was just a different print, but it was like out of stock in both sort of sizes I alter between, so I just went for a snakeskin one, which kind of basically is literally the same, but yeah, just thought I kind of had to throw that in there. Kate chose this outfit for me and it does not surprise me. I feel like this is such her outfit. Luckily Kate is a little bit more blessed in the boobage department, so she's able to fill these tops a little more than I am. But it is really fun. It's not something I really would have picked out myself. I do already have this top in a couple of other prints. I have a zebra one and a leopard one. She picked out these straight leg, well, are they straight leg? They're kind of like slim fit, you decide, but I think this is such like a clubbing going out outfit, but it's still kind of trendy, still fun. And the cat eye glasses, I really wouldn't have expected anything less from you, sweetie. You know what? I think I would actually wear this outfit out. I mean, I just feel a bit insecure about the boobs, and I also feel like it's not sort of holding them up and like supporting them. But it's adjustable. You can tie it to make it a little bit tighter at the back. But I enjoy it. Something different for me, and I could see so many girls going out looking bomb in this, especially you, Kate, sweetheart. Let me know if you want this and I'll get it sent over. Kate's outfit is a thumbs up. I also forgot to mention, but I will leave links to everything in the description box if you want to shop it. Next outfit. See ya. Outfit 2 is on, and this girl was a straight 5. I knew when I asked this person that I would come out with an amazing outfit. I'll pan back a bit. I'm holding the shoes, by the way, because there is no way I'm putting my toes on the internet after seeing some of the accounts being made about my body parts. Yes, I am referring to the belly button Instagram page. We're not going to talk about it. Okay, you have 5 seconds to work out who bought this outfit. Yes, that is right, Mr. Byron Denton, aka fashion photographer, aka Anna's internet boyfriend. I am not surprised. I feel like this is so Byron. I really enjoy it. Now, the other day, wait, I'm gonna pan you down a little bit because everyone always complains that you don't get the full outfit in shot, and I know it's really annoying. I'm just a terrible YouTuber, please bear with me. I said the other day how I just don't wear not baggy jeans, sorry, ripped jeans. I just never wear ripped jeans. I've never really buy them anymore, but I'm actually really enjoying enjoying these. I'm pretty sure these are from a Molly May collection, maybe. I think they're actually really fun. Maybe I'm gonna leave this video a changed woman. He did pick out a bag and it was like a chunky sort of chain clear, not latex, what's it called? Perspex, that's the one. Perspex, or is that just shoes? I don't know. So I chose out this black croc bag instead. Byron, I hope you don't mind. I hope you like this one, but I thought it sort of gave a similar vibe. I really like this shoulder bag. Like, it's so much more spacious. It's so much more spacious than other shoulder bags I have, which are literally like teeny tiny. I mean, you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. You know what I mean? I love this Aaliyah top. I feel like this would look cool with silver accessories. Yes, she really just said silver. I usually only wear gold, but I know Byron only wears silver. I know he's my friend, but also like his bum, I actually think he's like really fucking cool, and whatever he wears I always love. I think it would look cool with some like silver chains, some accessories. I'm just really enjoying this. Aaliyah top is actually a t-shirt dress, so I did get it in a size 4, I think, so that it would fit more as a t-shirt. But even just like as a dress, this is how short I am. I'm literally 5'3". We out here looking like a ruler. And oh, the piège de résistance. He picked me out these shoes. I am obsessed with baby blue. I did a really cool shoot with Byron. I'll put a photo here. And we got these amazing blue heels from Zara, which I have many mixed opinions on, but I thought they were fire, not gonna lie. So I think maybe he took inspiration from that. They also go really nicely with the blue on the top. I'm just so obsessed with these. Like, baby blue is my favorite color. You guys know it's on my whole intro card. Oh. I love these so much. They are honestly gorgeous, and I cannot wait till I'm allowed to leave the house again so I can actually wear all this stuff. Thumbs up, Byron. 10 out of 10 would wear. Right, next outfit. Just like before, you have, whoa, this is see-through. Just like before, you have 5 seconds to guess who chose this. Lol. Do you see how much I was like struggling to get all my fingers up? That's right, the Y2 queen herself, Miss Evie. I know this top is see-through and the studio lights really aren't making things any better, and the patchy fake tan on my boobs making it look like I've got some weird skin disease also isn't making anything better. But we move. I expected nothing less from Evie. I feel like this outfit is so cute. I did have to make a couple of little changes to it because a couple of things were out of stock on the website. The original skirt she picked out for me was this denim one, but they only had a size 10, but I thought I'd order it anyway just to show it to you for reference. And unfortunately, it was far too big for me. Not that a size 10 is big, because I know a lot of people get upset. I have been a size 10 for a lot of my life and it's not big. So I chose this little like gingham same sort of vibe skirt as well. This actually comes with like, every time I move it's like bra. It actually comes with like a little matching belt, but I never really wear these, so I just paired it with this belt instead, which is also from PLT. As I said before, I'll have everything linked below. I love this little crochet cardi. I feel like this would look so cute over a bikini in the summer for like a cute little Instagram picture. The skirt's really nice. It's like quite a stretchy material. This one does feel a little bit better quality because it's like denim. I feel like this would be so nice even with the big Aaliyah t-shirt, a big jumper. Okay, I need to stop making my own outfits because this video is not about me. She also chose out this little necklace with like these 2 diamante butterflies. However, unfortunately they were out of stock. So I went scouring through the jewelry section and picked out something that I feel like she would wear, or I feel like I would see her in. I know Evie's like Fiorucci angel. She's a little angel herself. She's just so cute. So I picked out this gorgeous little angel necklace. I feel like this is something I could really see her in. It was kind of similar to the butterfly. Improvise, overcome. What is it? Improvise, adapt, overcome. Adapt? I don't fucking know. I dropped out of school. Evie literally looks amazing in whatever she puts on. She's such a little queen. I love her so much. Evie, if you're watching this, to all the YouTubers, if you're watching this, love you, miss you. Right, okay, last outfit. Oh god, it's pretty obvious you chose this one then, isn't it? Right. Whoa. Coronavirus check. I know it's pretty obvious because I'm on the last outfit, but I feel like it's only fair I do it for this person too. You have 5 seconds to guess who chose me this outfit. You guessed it. The Queen of Northern Ireland. The beautiful Olivia Neal picked me this outfit, and this could not be more different from what I normally wear. This top I would usually wear, but like just the silver and like accessories like this, and I've got silver hoops. She's wearing silver. silver. I'm definitely a gold girl, but I feel like silver's a little bit more trendy. I feel like a girl fresh out of the For You page on TikTok. This necklace though is really confusing me because like, sorry, surely no one wants it down here, and on the website it looks like it's up here, and that is on clickbait, Pretty Little Thing. The jeans that Olivia originally picked out for me were actually out of stock, so I overcame. Okay, we're not going to get into that again. I had to adapt, and I already had these jeans at home, which are PLT. Once again, I'm actually the queen of PLT. Just don't even try me. These are some jeans, and I ordered them a few sizes up from my normal size, so they'd be really baggy. She also said to pick out this belt without the chain, which once again, I already had. This top I'm really enjoying though. I really like it. I've seen it on the website a few times, but I don't know why I just like never picked it out. I definitely can see Olivia in this. I think with the blonde and her beautiful sunbed complexion, which I definitely do not have right now. I'm hoping a little bit of saturation on this video is gonna save me, not gonna lie. It would look so gorgeous. I think silver jewelry looks really nice with a tan because it like makes the tan pop. You know, my white Fitbit is just really setting off this whole outfit. Let me show you the jeans without the belt really quickly because they're really cool. They kind of like sit on the hips. Oh, you can see my underwear. Oopsie. These are the jeans like without the belt. I think they're really cool. They give like kind of a is it 90s or 80s vibe? I don't know. I didn't make the rules. So everyone, that is the end of the video. I feel really insecure. I don't know why. So hi hair, come cover all my sins. Okay, now I look like a witch. So everyone, that is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. As I said before, I will have all the clothes listed in the description box down. Sorry, there was something in my throat. I will have all the clothes listed in the description box down below, as well as everyone's channels who helped me out with this video and picked out my outfits. Thank you guys all so much for like taking some time out of your day. I was honestly so scared to like message people and ask them to pick out stuff because I was like, oh my god, we love being a liability. But yeah, I really love all these outfits. It was actually really fun to do, like to try new things, and there were definitely things that I would never sort of pick for myself, but I would now very happily go out in. I'm sorry, I keep touching my hair. It's really annoying just because it's been really frizzy in that Kendall Jenner bun. Ugh. What happened to her? Let me know any other YouTubers you would like me to do this with in the future because I have enjoyed filming this so much. I definitely want to do it again. I love you all so much. I will see you all very soon. Bye? Yeah. Bye. Bye.